Hi guys, just a quick video on how to change an air filter in a Land Rover 90 or just a 200 TD engine. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm taking my latches off at the bottom. That one's missing, but there you go. And we're just undoing this clamp now. There. And then we're just gonna wiggle this out of the way. There we go. And it's off. Ta-da! Hey. Why does it always rain on me when I'm trying to work on my landing? And now you can take this off. And with some help because it's very jammed. This is the technical way to do it. Voila. So we're going out with the old and in with the new. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know I have a snorkel, so you might be like, why is she doing the air filter on a service? Well, the reason being, the snorkel is not yet fully piped up. So this is just a interim little fix until we've done that. So yeah, new filter on. Voila. Put on this. Lots of spinning. I'm going to put my phone. Maybe. Yep, I'm showing the same. And we're all done up. Not a moment too soon because it's raining and I'm cold. Clips are on. There we go. Just go on like this. Now I just need to redo up this clamp that was pointless taking off because we didn't touch it off in the end. Warming up the glove looks, you know, the handy life. At least I get to talk to someone while I'm doing it for once. And it runs. Yay, I didn't break anything. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you want to see any more Land Rover content. Like I say, we'll also be uploading videos of our other cars soon. So we've got the Mini R53 and the Metro and then James's series as well. So yeah, I'll be popping a new video up next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.